Each Power Pages site is a collection of pages where you can present data and other content to your customers. You can create pages from a variety of built-in layouts or use Copilot to assemble a page based on your specifications. Let's dive in. If you have a layout or page type in mind, you can describe it to Copilot, which will instantly create a page for you using generative AI. First, ensure the Copilot pane is open. If it's not, you can click the icon in the toolbar. You can either enter a custom prompt in the chat, or you can choose a suggestion. To see suggestions in the chat where it says, "What can I help you with?" select Page Design. Then choose Create a new page. And finally, choose the suggestion you like the best. For example, I'll choose Create a page about how to contact customer support. Press Enter or click Submit, and Copilot will generate the page. We can see the page both on the canvas and in the list of pages in the Pages pane. Once the page is generated, you'll need to review the contents. If you're satisfied, you can keep it, and otherwise you can delete the page. I'll select Keep it, and now I'm going to go ahead and close the Copilot pane. The more traditional way of creating pages is to choose from a standard layout. Click the Page button in the top right corner of the Pages pane. An overlay opens where you'll find another way to use Copilot to create a page. At the bottom of this overlay, find and click on Other ways to add a page. In this Add a Page overlay, we can first enter a page name. How about FAQ? And we can use the checkbox to decide whether or not to add the page to the main navigation. I'm going to keep this checkbox selected. You'll see a list of layouts with tabs for standard layouts and custom layout. Standard layouts include start from blank, landing page, page, and subpage. Let's go with page. Click Add, and the new page opens on the canvas and gets added to the main navigation. If you want to reuse the layout of an existing page, you can duplicate it. Mouse over the page you want to use in the Pages pane, let's say About Us, click the three dots button, and select Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of the page, which is given a default name. It's called About Us 1. So let's rename it. To rename a page, open its action menu by clicking the three dots and select Page Settings from the menu. The Page Settings overlay opens with tabs for details and permissions. In the Details tab, you can edit the name, let's call it Mission. We can even change the partial URL, which is the unique address for your page within the site. I'll change that to Mission 2. To confirm the change, click OK, and the change gets reflected in the Pages pane. If you decide you don't need a page, you can delete it by clicking the three dots next to the page in the pane and selecting Delete. Click Delete again in the prompt to confirm your choice. This will remove the page from the site. Now you know how to create a page in Power Pages.